The earthquake rocked this impoverished Caribbean nation late this afternoon. The 7.0 quake was centered roughly 10 miles from the capital city, Port-au-Prince, and there are reports of at least one...
January 2010. A 7.0 earthquake devastates Haiti. 3 million people are affected. Paul Walker knew he could help. He called 4 friends, and in that moment, Reach Out Worldwide was born.
Just landed in the Dominican Republic. We're making our way to baggage claim right now to pick up our passports, the rest of our supplies, and develop a game plan. So far, so good. We'll see how long till we get to Haiti.
Because we don't know what to expect. We have all this gear, and the second we hit, we want to be as effective as possible, but we can't be lugging around, 200 pounds of gear. So we're thinking of first and foremost with packs, with the water supply, water filtration and all that. And then secondary is, being able to aid people. Gloves, hydrogen peroxide, basic bandages. But make sure that we're set and solid. And we're going to use the big packs as like a bank where we supply when we need to. But I don't know, it's all trial and error. Everyone kind of has a different take on what they think. Ultimately, I think we've all kind of come to that conclusion that probably makes the most sense. So we'll see how it works.
Merci d'avance, Seigneur. Merci d'avance, Seigneur. Merci, bon Jésus. Merci, bon Jésus.
A simple idea became reality. 4 years later, Reach Out Worldwide continues to aid people in need. My brother's legacy lives on.